everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag 2 crafters, 1 design, hosted by Melissa, Gloria, and Lisa, and I will be sure to link all of their channels down below. This week their challenge is to use a typewriter, and here is a project that I created. Let me show you the supplies that I used to create this. I used this Martha Stewart flower punch, and I just used the little flowers. And I layered them up on top of each other. I used this Sizzix Retro Type typewriter die. And I used this paper from Prima. I also used some of my caramel colored dewdrops. This is a Tim Holtz tiny word sticker. I added this little heart as well as some pom-pom trim. And that is my entry. Tomorrow I will be posting a video for Embellish With Us Wednesday on this typewriter die and how I created a background for it. Stay tuned for that if you're interested. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and visiting me in my craft room. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye guys.